Mastering the art of email, ensuring reliable attachments and links. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into the world of email etiquette, specifically focusing on the section of attachments and links. In this video, we're zooming in on the essential topic of checking and verifying links. Let's ensure that your emails not only look professional but also function effectively. First and foremost, we must understand why verifying links in our emails is crucial. When you include a link in your email, it's imperative that the link directs your recipient to the correct web page or download. Broken or incorrect links can lead to confusion, miscommunication, or even a breach of trust. Thus, always make it a habit to check and verify every link before hitting that Send button. Now, let's talk about how to check and verify the links you've included in your email. 2.1 Checking links. Checking links essentially means ensuring that your link works and leads to the right content. After you've pasted a link into your email, click on it to make sure it directs to the desired web page or download. 2.2 Verifying links. Verifying links, on the other hand, is about confirming that the link's content is what you expect it to be. For instance, if you're linking to an article, you'd want to read through the article first to make sure it's the correct one and fits the context of your email. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some helpful tips and tricks for effective link verification. 3.1 Clear browser history. Before checking a link, especially one that leads to a downloadable file, clear your browser history or use a private browsing mode. This ensures that the file is indeed downloadable and not just stored in your browser's cache. 3.2 Check on different devices. If possible, check the link on different devices or browsers. This can help ensure that the link is accessible across various platforms and doesn't have any compatibility issues. 3.3 Verify shortened links. Shortened URLs can sometimes mask the true destination. So, if you're using a shortened link, make sure to verify the final destination of the link before including it in your email. And there you have it. By mastering the art of checking and verifying links, you can significantly improve your email etiquette and communication effectiveness. Remember, every little detail counts when crafting professional emails, and the links you include are no exception. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're looking forward to guiding you through more nuances of English language learning. Happy emailing!